Alright, I'm gonna try to do this video on this toolbox. So the story is that this toolbox it's used, of course, that's the top, obviously the bottom. I got this free because somebody decided to fold it over. The box itself is good, just the door is fucked. So Shipshe sold me another door, hinge, latch, and the door chains. So I already started. Basically gonna drill the rivets out. And it's not hard. I can't see a thing, but anyway, do that. You don't want to go too far. You're basically drilling the head off. Once you see it move like that, that's the head of the rivet. Boom, it's clear. Do that for all these. This will come off, that goes into place, and you re-rivet it back on. I'm gonna pause this and then I'm gonna drill the rest of these out, and then I know I gotta go get rivets, but I'll maybe start a couple and then y'all can kind of see what it is from there. And then I had Shipshe put brackets on the trailer. So there we go. One there, one over there. So this will bolt in place and this trailer will have 5 boxes. If I can't get this to work right, I guess this will be a 2-part video. Anyway, we'll see what happens.